Prevention and control of infectious diseases. The following measures are necessary to be followed for the prevention and control of infectious diseases. Maintenance of personal hygiene. Keeping the body clean. Consumption of clean drinking water and food. Maintenance of public hygiene. Proper disposal of waste and excreta. Periodic cleaning and disinfection of water reservoirs. Observing standard practices of hygiene in public catering. Avoiding close contact with the infected person and their belongings. Control, eliminate vectors and their breeding places. Avoid stagnation of water. Regular cleaning of household coolers. Use of mosquito nets. Introducing fishes like gambusia in ponds. Spraying of insecticides at regular intervals. Placing wire meshes on the doors and windows to prevent the entry of mosquitoes. Use of vaccines and immunization programs.